Hey, wait right there. Do you want to recover deleted Instagram stories? Oh yeah, I know that's what you're looking for right now. Then stick with me because in this video tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can recover deleted Instagram stories. I'll be right back. Okay, so now let's head over to Instagram and let me go to Instagram is now getting a little bit of exploited this test. All right, so now let me just try to add to my story right there. Click on the plus icon, then story, then let me just upload an image there. Okay, so let me just say I want to add this to my Instagram story, right? Then I just click on share. So now it's been posted, and you can see right there my Instagram story. You can see it right there. So now let me just try to delete this story. Okay, let me just delete it. Okay, I think it uploaded on Facebook also. So now you can see it right there. It says changes to deleting. So now you have it. You have 30 days or 24 hours to unarchive stories, so restore permanently. So what this means is that after you've deleted a story, you can restore the story back after 24 hours. Okay. So if you delete an Instagram story now and you're wondering maybe how you can recover it back, all you need to do is just wait for 24 hours and it's gonna save in your archive. Now every story that you delete is gonna save in your archive and you're gonna be able to get it inside your archive. Okay, so to do that, let me just delete this. So now to check on your story, let's after 24 hours. Okay, so just wait for 24 hours and you'll be able to get back here. Okay, so just wait for 24 hours and you'll be able to recover back your stories. So let me show you some of the stories that I've uploaded in the past. So now to do that, you see I already have some highlighted one here. You just tap on this new, okay, this plus icon. That is what you're gonna tap on and it's gonna take you to your archive, like the ones you've uploaded in the past. You can see a lot of, I don't really have much archive, but you can see September 2018. This one is 2018-20. So if I should wait for 24 hours, I'll be able to see the new one that I just uploaded. Okay, so here is where you see all your archive. Okay, all the deleted stories that you have. And if you've uploaded a story previously, you can just check it out. Okay, you can just go click on plus. Okay, and you'll be able to just click on plus and you'll be able to see your Instagram stories, okay, that you've deleted right there. So all these stories that you're seeing are the ones I've uploaded in the past and I have already deleted them. So here is how you'll be able to see your deleted Instagram stories. Okay, so once it's after 24 hours, just come right here, click on plus. Okay, just come to your profile, click on plus, and you're gonna see it staying right here waiting for you. Okay, and if you want to recover it back, all you just have to do is just to tap on it, and the mention tab, you tap on next and you can try to highlight it. Okay, and you can add it back. So I hope this video has been very helpful. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button so that it can motivate me to keep creating more tutorials for you guys. And also you can get notified by hitting the notification bell after subscribing whenever I drop new tutorials right here on this channel. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there who are in need of something like this and they are wondering how they can recover back their Instagram stories. Okay, so take care of yourself, and if you need wallpapers for your phone, I have a link in the video description. They are wallpapers that are created by myself, and they're gonna help to beautify your phone. So that is just a way of me saying thank you for watching my videos. So you can try to download the wallpapers, they are free and they are free for you. Okay, free for life. So take care of yourself, my friend, and I'm gonna see you in some other video tutorials. You can check out my channel. I have several tutorials in there which is gonna help you out also. Take care of yourself and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.